everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making Halloween chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so we have here a medium mixing bowl and a small mixing bowl. In the small one we already have 2 and 1/4 cups of flour. And we also need a mixing tool. 2 cups of chocolate chips. You could use any brand or any kind. And we have 2 packages of these M&M candy corn flavored M&Ms. And so this is the brand that we used, which is GR Deli. And you can use any brand you want. We just use this one. We have 1 cup of chopped walnuts. And instead of using 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, because we already have sweets and it's going to be too sweet, we have a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of white sugar. Also need 2 room temperature eggs and 2 sticks of butter equals to 1 cup of butter. Make sure they're room temperature. You'll need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. When the cookies come out of the oven, while it's still soft, we will put 1 candy corn right in the middle of each. Well, with the 2 and 1/4 cups of powder, we will be putting the salt and baking soda in. Go ahead and mix it up. Now in the medium-sized bowl, we will put our 2 sticks of butter and our 2 sugars. Now we will be adding 2 sugars, the granulated sugar and the light brown sugar. And now you want to put your thing on low and mix. Now go ahead and put it on the medium. And make sure you don't overmix it, just make sure it's just mixed. And what you want to do is add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then add your 2 room temperature eggs. So again, make sure to not overmix this, just make sure it's mixed. And put it on medium speed. Flour mixture. Make sure you only add half though. So now you just want to mix it on low for about 15 seconds. So now you just want to add the remainder of your flour. So make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees. don't want to overmix. We took all the excess batter off of the spatula so we could get all of it in there. Now for the fun part, we get to add these in. And the reason why we're not using this is because it will break all of it up. You don't want that. We'll just fold it in. And now you just want to pour these in. And don't forget your chopped walnuts. This is good arm exercise. For the cookie dough lovers, doesn't this look delicious? If you can't find your small ice cream scooper like me, you could just take 2 teaspoons and just take a little bit. Could take a little bit and then form it on your spoon, and just form it, and then you just want to plop it down right here. We're doing 3 in each row, so just want to plop it down right there. Just like that. And let's continue. I'm gonna be doing one more. Just wanna take this much at least, and then you just wanna form it again like I did on the last one. And plop it right down there. Right here. Now that our cookies are ready and placed on our cookie sheet, which there is 3, 6, 9, 12, now our oven is preheated to 375 degrees, so wear your mini gloves and put this in the middle rack for 9 to 12 minutes. Now close it up and set your timer. You just want to set it for 9 minutes and check on it after that. And it started. Now we took out our cookies after 9 minutes because we didn't want them to burn. So now what you want to do is grab 1 candy corn and stick it right in the middle while the cookie's still soft. And push it down. A little bit. And you just want to keep doing that to all your cookies, and then we're ready for the next batch. Now, it's soft. So I'm taking the cookies out so we could get ready for our next batch. And guys, comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween. And we will be giving shout outs. I'm going to be a scarecrow. Now let's get ready for our next batch. So guys, this is how it turned out. They look delicious. And let me try it. Guys, this is delicious. If you're allergic to nuts, then just take out the walnuts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell down below to get future notifications on our videos. Happy Halloween and have a safe trick or treat. Bye.